Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about hair extensions. As you guys know, I recently did my hair this color right here. So I don't know why for like 2018 I just want to like start fresh. I want to do something new. So with that new, it comes my hair. I want to try putting hair extensions in my hair. I'm going to just, go out there looking. So I came across on Amazon, guys, because I do all my shopping on Amazon, especially because I have Prime. So I get my things like in 2 days. I'm not a person that likes to get their stuff like in a whole week or like in 2 weeks. No, I like to get my things like this. So I'm always on Amazon. So I came across, upon doing research, I came across a company called Full Shine Hair Extensions, and I read the reviews. That's what I always do. I always read the reviews on the sellers. I always read the reviews on the people that buy their stuff. So I came across like pretty positive reviews. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, guys, so today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about Full Shine hair extensions, which are right here, and I'm just gonna be telling you guys a little bit more about their company for in case you guys want to check them out. So yeah, so if you guys want to know what I got, then I suggest you guys keep on watching. I wanted something to do with my hair, that will blend with my hair. As you guys know already, I have like a balayage ombre. Let me show you guys. I have a balayage ombre kind of color going on my hair, as you guys could see. And I wanted something that could match my hair. I did not want to customize anything because you guys already know that's gonna be more. So I wanted to find something that would match my hair, that will actually give me length as well. And of course I came across their company, and they specialize in ombre hair a lot. Like, they have so many damn selections, like you guys have no idea. They offer tape-in extensions. They have clip-ins, pre-bonded. They have also like sewing hair extensions, hair bangs. They have everything, guys. They also have customized colors. So if you have like a certain color that you're not finding on their website, you could always like email them, and they will get that hair done for you guys, and you guys are good to go. So yeah, so like I was saying, I was looking through their website, and I kind of came across some hair extensions that were my color almost. But as you guys know already, when you order online, you just do not know what color you're gonna be getting, because sometimes the colors that they have there, like, it's way different, are totally off of what you order or what you will receive. So the ones that I got were tape-ins, because I've always used clip-ins. Well, not really used clip-ins, but I wasted so much money. I bought myself a pair of some really expensive ass hair extensions like a couple of years ago that were clip-ins, and they just did not work for me. So I wanted to try the new tape-in ones, because I wanted something that's not gonna fall off. I don't want to have to be putting clip-ins and then taking them off. I don't want that. I want something that's gonna stay in my hair. So I wanted to try out their tape-in extensions. So I got this one right here, and this is how their packaging looks like, guys. As you guys could see, beautiful pink and all that. All of their stuff are 100% human hair, guys. So as you guys know, human hair is very expensive, very, very expensive. But luckily for this company, they are very, very affordable, like super affordable. So I got, like I said, I got the tape-in extensions, and I'm gonna show you guys. I have not put them on my hair. So this is how their packaging looks like. It says Full Shine, popular American brand. This is the Way High Full Shine International Co., which is, I believe that's like their company or whatever. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. In the back, it actually tells you how to care for your human hair extensions. It tells you to moisturize your human hair extensions. It tells you brushing your Remy hair, washing the hair extensions, hair dryer and hairstyle, and maintaining hair extensions while sleeping. So I think it's pretty nice, that it, that they're actually showing you how to care for your hair extensions, because you guys already know sometimes we get lazy taking care of our own damn hair. So imagine taking care of hair extensions. So yeah, so this is how their things look. This is the packaging right here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys like in details, because when I was doing my research, I was going on YouTube, and I was putting down on the search bar Full Shine hair extensions, and I came across you know, reviews videos, but I really did not see a video that actually helped me like be like, oh my god, I'm gonna, like, I have to order them. You know, they were just explaining like about the hair, but they weren't really going into detail. So I'm gonna be helping you guys out in case you guys want to order these. So this is how they come in, and this is a set of 20 hair extensions. Now with tape and extensions, guys, what I did not know is that you're supposed to kind of put them together. I'll show you guys right now. But anyways, what comes in here is this little thing right here, and it just tells you, just making sure it's recording. Yes, it just says full shine, and it just kind of, you know, it just thanks you and all that. And it tells you if you have anything wrong with your item, you know, you could always message them and they will help you. Also, you know, to leave a review and all that. So yeah, it just tells you, you know, thank you for buying the hair and all that. So this is pretty nice. Okay, now this is the hair extensions right here, holographic, as you guys could know. And this is the one that I got. Oh yeah, this was a 20-inch. The color is 41827, guys, but I will leave the information right here of what I got exactly. So this right here, I'm gonna tell you guys, I believe, well, I'm gonna put the price right here of how much I paid, because these were originally like $58, but they had a coupon, so I got this for cheap. I think it was like 40 something in total. It was 40 something. So this is the 20-piece hair extension. This is how it looks like. It's like an ombre, guys, and let me tell you guys, this matches my hair so good. Like it matches my hair. Like, it's crazy how I was able to nail it, like to actually get the hair color for my hair. So this is how it looks like when you get your thing, depending on the length. I do feel this like very thin, so so there's not that much hair in here. It's very, very thin. So if you have really thick ass hair like me, you're gonna need like 2, 3, or 4 probably sets of these. So that's what I'm probably gonna be doing after. You know, I'm probably gonna be ordering more of this, because I love how it just, like, seriously guys, like the color just matched my freaking hair. Like, it matched my hair. So this is how it looks like this. And it's I really don't want to take this off, but yeah, so basically what you're gonna be getting is getting one of these. You're gonna be putting them under your hair, like a really, really thin strap or whatever you guys want to call it, and then you're gonna put the other one on top, and you're just gonna squish it because it has tape, and that's it. But I'm brand new at putting these in my hair, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But yeah, guys, but I'm gonna be ordering more of this, and I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be installing this on my hair. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys let me know right here. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's very soft. I don't see no hair falling out or whatsoever. And what I like about this, guys, is like that the end literally looks like almost gray purple. And look at my hair. My hair like literally looks like it. Like, it's just matching. Like, it's crazy. It's freaking crazy how I, like, you know, how I got the exact same hair color as mine. So I'm excited for guys. If you go on their website, I'm gonna tell you guys something, a little secret right here, okay? If you go on their website, you're gonna find these things a little bit more cheaper if you buy them at their website than Amazon, because as you guys know, Amazon, you know, they charge a little bit more than what the store charges. So yeah, so if you guys go on their website, you guys are gonna be finding more hair extensions, like more variety, and a little bit more cheaper than on Amazon. And the good thing about them is that they always have, you know, like 20% off hair extensions, like on specials and all that. And I also heard that if you join their rewards program, you also get you save up to like 20% off on your order. So you guys should look into that. Also, yeah, like I was saying, you guys get free shipping and all that. But yeah, so this is how these look. I love, honestly guys, I love how the color matches my hair. That's something that I'm super happy, because I finally got my freaking hair, so I'm gonna be able to put it in this little head right here, and it matches perfectly. The only thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be toning these a little bit more with purple shampoo. So, you know, so they could kind of look like a little bit more blonder. They also sell like hair replacements, you know what I mean? So you guys could always order anything, but they sell everything. They sell the, you know, the tape that comes on this, they sell that too. So yeah, guys, but you know, like I said, this is very, very, very affordable. um you know, what I will say is, like, look, when they have specials and all this, a lot of these things right here have coupons, you know, that you could be saving money. But let me tell you guys, they're really, I mean, so far, so far I like it. The color, it's perfect, fits perfect with my hair. Now I'm just gonna have to install them. As you guys know, I'm gonna have to install them, but I'm gonna wait till I actually get at least a couple of, like, 3 more packs, so I could be able to put it on my hair. And I'm gonna be doing a video on that, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. But yeah, guys, so if you guys want to check them out, remember they're called Full Shine. They are on Amazon, and they also have their their website, so you guys could check them out. I'm gonna leave that information here below, so you guys can check them out. Okay, guys, so that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll talk to you guys soon, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.